Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own Ayurvedic hair gloss. I'll be using this Ayurvedic mix from KLS Naturals. It contains Fenuegreek, Brahmi and Amla, which is really good for hair growth. And next I'll be using chebe powder, which is also good for hair growth, and aloe vera powder. This helps to soothe your hair. And I'll also be adding a moisturizing deep conditioner, and this is from Afrobynature. First, I'm putting 2 tablespoons of my Ayurvedic mix. Next, I'll add 1 tablespoon of chebe powder and also aloe vera powder. And I'm just mixing the powders together. You want to stir it. And I'll be adding hot water to the mix, but I'll be putting a little at a time. I want this gloss to be thick. I don't want it to be watery, so that's why I'm putting little water at a time. Then I'm adding my deep conditioner. I'm just adding about 3 spoons. And I'm also adding honey. Honey is a humectant which attracts moisture to your hair. Then followed by some coconut oil. This adds shine to your hair and it also promotes hair growth. Next, I'll be adding my Ayurvedic oil mix. I just added a lot of Ayurvedic herbs and I infused the oil, so that's what I'm adding. And then I'll be adding some essential oils, which is like tea tree. I'll also add eucalyptus oil and rosemary oil. I'm dropping like 5 drops and then basically mixing it into a smooth consistency. As you can see, guys, this mask, this gloss is rich. It is, can't you just see how juicy it is? Like, I can't wait to put it on my hair. Look at that, guys. Yummy. First, I'm going to spritz my hair with warm water to open my cuticles before I apply the hair gloss. You're going to get your scalp saturated, your hair saturated with warm water. This really helps the mask penetrate your hair. Just rubbing it in with my fingers. You want to get your hand gloves because Ayurveda can be messy. You guys know that. So Ayurveda is messy, in case nobody told you, it is. So guys, I'm just taking this front section, spritzing it with water, and then finger detangling, and time for the application. As you can see, I'm applying it from my roots to the ends. I'm working it to the ends of my hair, like so. And because of the deep conditioner I added, it has slip, so I can also use it to detangle. Spritzing with more water, rubbing it into my hair, massaging it so that my hair is properly coated with the hair gloss. Just putting my hair in twist and moving on to the next section. I like to deep condition my hair in twist. It makes the job so much easier, and this way you can ensure that each part of your hair is covered with products. If you deep condition your hair in bulk, it might not get to every strand of your hair, but this way you can achieve that. I'm just spritzing my hair with more water and applying from roots to ends. Make sure you get the ends. The ends are the oldest part of your hair. They need the most love, okay? They are very, very important in retaining length. As you can see, I'm working the product in thoroughly. I'm working the product into my ends and my hair is loving it. This gloss is so bomb, guys. My hair feels so good. Now that I'm done, I'm just gonna wear my heating cap and leave for 30 minutes. Oh my god, my friend is so annoying. Yes guys, so you just want to leave that for 30 minutes and voila, this is the final result. Look at how hydrated and shiny, moisturized. It just feels soft. The shea butter has like particles, so you want to thoroughly rinse your hair under the shower. Other than that, this Ayurvedic hair gloss was bomb. I hope you guys will try this and let me know if you do. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, you know, be part of the family. Till next time, bye guys.